In this video, we're going to go over the day Dax function in Power BI. So day returns the day of the month with a number from 1 to 31 using a date data object or text. So first we will go over the date object. So we're going to add a new column. We're going to use the day function. We're going to use our order date. And we're going to make sure we take off summarization. And we're going to add our table. Going to add in our order date. And then we're going to add our column. And you see we get the day of each date. So we can also do that with text. So we're going to go back and we're going to have day. This time we're going to put close that, and we're going to make sure we don't summarize, and we're going to add that column, and we have one all the way down. So that's how we use the day function in Power BI for text or a date column, and we just want to make sure we don't summarize when we add that to our table.